What's going on, everyone? Welcome back. JP here. So I just want to introduce to you guys Suno AI's new feature, which is a cover song feature. Now, it's not what you think. It's not like you're taking someone else's song that's already has copyrights on it and plugging it in, and it's not going to create a cover of that, because that still is you would still have copyright issues. What this software does is, if you like a song that Suno AI creates, you can take that and make a completely different version of it in a completely different genre of music. So here I am. I'm on the main my creation dashboard here. And it looks like, again, I had mentioned this in my previous video, that Suno AI will generate just like silly song suggestions. So this one on this, maybe not silly, but this one is a syncopated salsa song about not being able to wait to see you again. So I'm just going to go ahead and use that prompt to generate a song, and then we're going to take that song and we're going to make it sound like something. We're going to make it in a different genre of music. So let's just go ahead and we're going to create this. All right, so here we are. Can't wait to see you. This is the salsa version. Let's play this.
Daylight fades away, dreaming about you near. Heartbeats
All right,
start to sway.
not bad. All right, I'm going to fast forward to the chorus.
Moonlight, stars above, passing by, falling more in love.
Here comes the chorus.
Can't wait to see you. Every beat's a new.
Yeah, it's not great. Anyway, we'll go to the next one. Okay. Yes. So far, so good.
Daylight fades away, dreaming about you near. Heartbeats start to sway, moments till you're here.
Okay, cool. Let's go to the chorus.
See you, every beat's a new. Dancing close to you, heartbeats will know true.
Okay, cool. I like this one. This one's good. So I'm going to delete the one I don't like, right? I'm going to remove any clutter. I'm going to move to trash. Bye-bye. That's done. Okay, so you're going to click on these three little buttons on the right side. You're going to go to Create, and it's still loading. So just give it a minute. All right, we're back. It finished loading. We're going to go to, again, these three little buttons on the right side, and then we're going to go to Create, and we're going to do Cover Song. So it just loaded the lyrics, right? That loaded the cover for us. It loaded, okay, the style of music. We're going to change that, and then the title. Okay, so here we go. We're going to go style of music. Let's go country folk with upbeat drums and electric guitar. Oh, no. I'm going to go acoustic. So you heard that one. Let's create this now. All right, as this is creating, for now, Suno AI is giving me 200 free cover songs to create. I have 192 left. I don't know why it's doing that. Maybe if this is an option that I'm going to have to pay for in the future. But okay, it generated them. Let's go to cover. All right, so here's the original.
Footsteps on the floor, dance until we soar.
Okay, here's the new one.
Daylight fades away, dreaming about you near.
Country folk.
Heartbeats start to sway, moments till you're here. Moonlight paints the sky.
Okay, it's a little different. I mean, I hear the similarities in the melody, but the beat sounds very similar, which I want it to be a little bit different. So let's go to this one. Okay, this is more of what I was looking for. All right, country folk with drums, acoustic guitar, and piano. Okay, this is really cool. Okay, so it made a cover version of it, right? It sounds similar, but let's use the same one And let's go emo metal. Emo metal. And let's create this, okay? All right, we're back. It finished. I'm going to go to the chorus. Okay, so let's try this one. I can't. I can't, guys. I can't. Let's go spa and see what happens. Let's go soft spa. Ambient pads. Create. Sorry about that. That was so bad. The emo metal, that one, I was almost on the floor with that one. All right, soft spa, here we go. I don't know if there are lyrics in this. Let's see. So bad internet connection. I love the sound though. Oh my goodness. This sounds amazing. I don't really hear the cover version of that, but let's go to the second one here. The second one seems to be more authentic to a cover. Okay. It added the ambient pads. Very cool.
Moments till you're here.
Ooh.
I
like
counting
this.
stars above, seconds passing by, falling more in love.
Okay, so you guys get the point on this. It's kind of a cool feature. I don't really see myself using this so much. I don't really know yet, but it is new. And again, the lyrics, I'm not crazy about the lyrics that AI creates in general. You can play around on ChatGPT or whatever AI generation software you guys have. You can play around with different types of lyrics. You can program it to have different lyrical rhyming patterns too. But you know, I'm not crazy. Again, I've been writing music for 35 years now. So anyway, this is an awesome tool to use. Suno.ai I think is one of the better versions out there. What are the other ones? If you guys have any suggestions, any other suggested ones to check out, you can pop those in the description below. I've used 4 or 5 other ones, and right now they're just kind of all, the names are just kind of all a blur because I've just been coming back to Suno. So I hope you enjoyed this. Please like and subscribe this to this video and to my channel. It definitely does help me generate more content for you guys. Again, my whole purpose in this channel is to find software, the best software out there for you guys to use. If it's not free, you know, the ones that are more affordable to use, because again, being content creators, the price, you know, costs do definitely add up. So again, I will see you on the next video. Take it easy, everyone.